Hi, greetings to everyone. We are from Group 6, Set 2. Before we move on to our presentation, I would like to introduce all my group mates. First, Said Sulaiman, Shama Sundari Devi, Anand Kumar, who is also our group leader, Pavitran, Yuvendiran, Navin Kumar, Saida, Nur Nadira.
Well, there are many food safety managements out there. One of the most critical ones is the ISO 22000. Well, you might wonder, what is ISO 22000? Well, let's find out. Well, let me give you a brief introduction about the ISO 22000. It is a standard developed by the International Organization for Standardization dealing with food safety. It is a general derivative of the ISO 9000. The ISO 22000 international standard specifies the requirements for a food safety management system that involves the following elements: interactive communication, system management, prerequisite programs, and finally HACCP principles.
Alright, let's move on to the chronology of how ISO 22000 works. First, conduct awareness program at top plus middle plus bottom level, and then form a task force for documentation. That process is followed by micro-level survey and hazard analysis. Preparation of HACC plan and documentation follows the previous process. Establish critical limits, implementation, and train all personnel in the use of procedures and format. After that, train internal auditors. Then that process is continued by assess the system through first internal audits, and then take corrective actions, apply for certification. Assess the system through second round of internal audit, and then repeat back the same process, which is take action on suggestion given in second round of audit. Finally, final audit by certifying body.
Okay, well, let's move on to implementation of ISO 22000. Okay, the one of the implementations is request for registration, application and proposal. Next, documentation review. Then pre-assessment. After that, the registration audit, taking corrective action, followed by registration decision. Certification and publicizing your registration. Finally, maintaining registration and surveillance audits.
Finally, I'm going to talk about advantages of ISO 22000. ISO 22000 can contribute to the quality of life in general by ensuring safe food, reducing foodborne diseases, better quality and safer jobs in the food industry, better utilization of resources, more efficient validation and documentation of techniques, methods, and procedures, increased profits, increased potential for economic growth and development.
Summary of benefits of ISO 22000 are: saves resources by reducing overlapping system audits, organizes and targets communication among partners, resource optimization, improves documentation, better planning, less post-process verification, more efficient and dynamic food safety hazard control, systematic management of prerequisite programs, valid base for taking decisions, increased due diligence, control focused on what is necessary. Thank you.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed our presentation. That's all from us. Thank you.